Oh my gosh, I just made these sauteed carrot noodles for the first time. Absolutely delicious and so healthy. So what you're gonna do is you need to get as thick a carrot as you can find. These were almost not thick enough to spiralize. And then cut off the ends. Like seriously, get the thickest carrots like that you could find, or else they're not gonna spiralize well at all. Especially because I love when they're long and slurpable. So what you're aiming for here, as far as how many carrots to spiralize, try to get about 5 cups worth of carrot noodles. That would be the probably best amount for this recipe. Okay, so once you have your carrot noodles, heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then I did onions and garlic. It's about 3 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons worth of chopped onions. But the thing I love about plant-based recipes, most of the time it does not have to be an exact science. You know, like a cake, it does. But not things like this, which is why it's like, I love it. Okay, saute those onions and garlic down first. And then you're going to add in the carrot noodles. They're so bright and orange. I love them. I love these. These were really good. I don't know if it's just because I was excited to try something new, but I kind of like this better than the zucchini noodles. Okay, so that's about 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon of chopped oregano, 1 or 2 sage leaves that you can pick out later. Leave them whole. Saute 30 seconds. About 1/2 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon black garlic powder. I love black garlic. Okay, and this is about 1.5 cups of chopped spinach. This is such a healthy meal, you guys. It's perfect for plant-based diet, meal prep, weight loss, low-calorie meals, energy, building muscle. And that's that. What I did instead of like a sauce is I mushed up some avocado with some salt and pepper and added some nutritional yeast and red chili flakes to the top. And that was that. Full recipe with ingredients and instructions will be in the description of this video, and a link to my free plant-based recipe ebook. Don't forget to get your hands on that and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Any Reason Vegans.